Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial by Allen Technologies. In today's video, we are going to explore payment terms in Odoo 18, what they are, how to set them up, and how they impact your sales and accounting workflows. Whether you're a business owner, accountant, or Odoo user, this guide will help you streamline your invoicing process. So what exactly are payment terms? Payment terms define how and when an invoice should be paid. For example, you might want your customer to pay 50% upfront and the remaining 50% in 30 days. Or you might offer a simple net 30 term, which means the full invoice is due 30 days after the invoice date. Odoo 18 allows you to create flexible payment term rules for both customer and vendor transactions. To configure payment terms, let's head to the accounting module. On the top menu, go to configuration and click on payment terms. Here you'll see a list of all existing terms that have already been created in the system. Let's now create a new payment term. Click on the new button in the top left corner. Enter a clear name for your term. Let's call this one 30% advance, 70% in 30 days. Now we'll define the rules. Click add a line to create the first term. Set the type to percent, enter 30 and choose balance due on the invoice date. Add another line, set it to percent, enter 70. And set the due date 30 days after the invoice date. Odoo will automatically calculate and split the invoice based on these rules. Once your payment terms are defined, click Save. Now, this new payment term is ready to be used on your customer invoices and vendor bills. Let's apply this term to a customer invoice. Go to Customers, Invoices, and click Create. Select your customer, add the products or services, and scroll down to the payment terms field. Select the one we just created. Now confirm and validate the invoice. When the invoice is validated, Odoo will create multiple due lines based on payment terms. This reflects in both the invoice due dates and in the journal entries. For example, 30% is due now and 70% is automatically scheduled 30 days later. This helps you manage your receivables more effectively and gives your customer clarity on payment expectations. To make things even smoother, you can set default payment terms for each customer. Go to Customers, open a customer record, click Edit, and scroll to the Sale and Purchase tab. Here you can select a default payment term. Now, every new invoice for this customer will automatically apply that payment term. The same process applies for the vendors. When creating a vendor bill, you can select a payment term under the Accounting tab. Odoo will use these terms to schedule your future payables. And that's it. Now you know how to create, configure, and use payment terms in Odoo 18 for both customers and vendors. It's a simple but powerful feature that helps you automate your financial processes and stay on the top of your cash flow. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.